This is my review of this very simple but very powerful chicken shredder. So this thing only comes in a few parts. So when you get this, these handles will not be attached. So to attach them, what you're gonna do is insert them into these holes and press until it goes pop, and it'll pop into place because you do want those to be locked into place for this to work properly. They also give you a cleaning brush, which is great. It is a very coarse bristle, so that's gonna make it easy if you have chicken stuck inside, and the length of the bristles is long enough to where you can go like this and it actually reaches all the way to the bottom, which is fantastic. Now, here's a tip to make this thing work very well. The first time we used it on a countertop that wasn't very clean. And so the way this works is you put your chicken breast in here. I'll show you a video of me doing it in a second, but you put your chicken breasts on here, you put this on top, and now you're going to press down with your hand. So you use your body weight, you press down, and then you just twist this thing from side to side. So you're gonna have one in each hand. So you're basically just gonna go like this, and it shreds the chicken immediately. And the chicken that I'm using, that I'm gonna show you, or that I'm showing you, that chicken, I'm not good at cooking chicken. So the chicken that I was using this with was actually pretty dry, yet this shredded it easily with no problem. So here's that tip I was telling you about. Make sure that the counter that you're using is a smooth, like there's no pores. Like you don't want a wood grain counter. You want to put this on marble or laminate, something that's smooth. And you also want to make sure that these rubber parts on the bottom are very clean. So I just wipe them off before we use it, wipe the counter off before we use it, and then that gives this thing friction, so the bottom will stay in place as you press down. If you don't do that, the entire thing can twist and it doesn't work. So, but as long as you have friction there and you press down, this thing works incredibly well. And I can't believe we didn't own one of these a long time ago. I love it and highly recommend it.